So, hi, hello. We are doing maths, and in mathematics, we do variation, especially in grade 11 and 12 and higher studies. So, this topic is about proportion. So, what is proportion? And proportion basic definition is when two ratios are equivalent. When two ratios are equivalent. In the last video, I did explain ratio. Now we is the proportion. So, are the comparison of the quantity of the part of comparison. This is also the definition. Comparison of the part or section of quantity to the whole quantity. You got it? So here is an example. Just to understand like what is it. So the example says that there are E, F, G, and H. These are four quantities. Quantities. These are four quantities. So how you can write down this in proportion? It's you can do like this. E ratio F. Proportion is represented by four dot. Proportion is represented by four dot, and then G. So E ratio F are in proportion with G ratio H. So what is mathematically? Mathematically, the F and G, the middle one, are called the mean proportion. Proportion and EH. This is very important. EH called the extreme of proportion. Extreme of proportion. So here is another example, which come in exam. Listen carefully. So if there are four, if you are given three ratio and the fourth you have to find out, like if 20, 30, and 40, and unknown is x, are in proportion. How you gonna find it? This is the exam question. If you are given 20, 30, 40, three quantities and the fourth one x is not given, but they are in proportion. This is pretty simple. You keep in mind, if you are given three quantities, 20, 30, and 40, and the fourth quantity is not given, but what they ask you to find out, they are in proportion. You know by definition here, this one. You know by definition. So how you can do it? Solution. So we can write down like this: 20 ratio, 20 are in ratio with 30, and these 20 and 30 are in proportion with 40 with unknown x, because x is unknown. So in mathematics this is pretty simple. You can do it like you can write down 20 by 30 is equal to 40 by x. Here is like 1 by 5 mean 1, can write like this. So this is pretty common arithmetic in algebra. So by doing the calculation, x, you're gonna multiply this with this and this with this to find out the x. 40 into 30. Or dot, like dot, and this, and in this one. In computer, these are the same. It's mean multiplication. So how you gonna do it? X 40 into 30 divided by, bring 20 this side. It's like x20. So divide both side by 20, so this 20 will be finished. Here is x 20, 40 into 30, divide both side by 20, so here. So this 20 gone. And so this is how you can make it simple. So this one start. So x is equal to 20, uh, divided by, so it's and 2 into 20. So here x is equal to 16. So now you can write down that 20 ratio 30 are in proportion with the 40 into 60. This is the answer. Pretty important in exam. Thank you, and have a nice day. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and have a nice day.